Yo, what's going on, guys? Jay here from Easy Blade. Today we're going to do one of the sharpest beards I've ever seen. Stick around, guys. This one's going to be a nice beard lineup. If you're at home and you want to learn how to shape your beard, this is the video you want to watch. If you're a barber and you want to learn how to shape a beard, this is the video you want to watch. So the first thing we did was we created an L. So we started from the outside of the beard and we went towards the inside. Now we're working our way to the middle. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're working our way straight across. Make sure that you're looking up when you're doing this, or having your client look up when you're doing it. Make sure the neck is clean. Then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So it's like we're creating an L, guys. You want to create an L, all right? Make sure that your outliners are sharp, because a sharper outliner is going to give you a better look. Now at the top right here, we're going to go ahead, turn the machine upside down, and then we're going to put the machine there and pull away where we want the beard to stop. Now more detail is going to come in when we use the straight razor. Now we're going to go under the mustache, making sure it's clean. We're going to go above the mustache as well. Now you can bring the mustache wherever you want it. I like to keep his mustache a little thinner but thicker at the same time. Same thing with the beard. We don't want to go too small, too short with it. We want to keep it a little bit higher so he has a nice wide beard. Using the corner of your outliner to kind of detail it a little bit, that always works. Want to get under the mustache as well. Now the cool part about this video, what we're going to do is we're going to do the inside of the beard as well. We're going to round this part out. So using a corner of the machine is how you create that roundness effect in the beard. So you want to make sure that you're rounding it out with the corner of the machine. Same thing over here, making sure that you're rounding it out. Okay, let's do the same thing on this side. We want to make sure that we're using that corner of that machine. That corner, you got to use it like it's a pencil, guys. As long as your machine is sharp, as long as you're able to use that corner like a pencil, you'll be able to draw exactly what you want, guys. Barbering is an art. And we're creating that roundness effect. Again, the detail's really going to come with the straight razor right now. So what we have here is some Easy Blade shave gel. We're applying a small amount. Now that Easy Blade, you can grab it on our website, easybladeshavingproducts.com, along with the Easy Blade straight razor and double edge razor that we're using here. Now when I'm doing the beard, what I'm doing here is basically pulling and stretching the skin as far as I can. I'm leaning the blade on the skin, angling the blade at a 30, and I'm stopping the blade exactly where I want it at. Okay, I'm doing the same thing on the mustache area as well. Now let's get the corner. You want to make sure that you or your client blows up the lip. You can do that with air, or you can put your tongue there. And this way you have a nice flat surface to work with when you're using a straight razor. You don't want to catch any corners with the corner of the blade. Now you can see me just using the corner of the blade to create the roundness effect. Again, right here, applying some Easy Blade shave gel, stretching that skin, angling the blade at 30, and stopping the blade exactly where I want it to stop. And that's what's really creating that effect and creating that good look with the razor. I'm doing the same thing on the mustache here as well, and we're also going to work the inside. You can see I'm pulling the skin on the inside, he's blowing up his lip, and we're getting that detailed look in there. Now always be sure that you pull that skin, and always make sure that you're angling that blade correctly. We didn't want to put the straight razor on his neck, we don't want him to bump up, so we're using a shaver. Now we're going to get the outside of the beard. Now you can flip your blade upside down and get the outside of the beard. That's really going to make the fade haircut and everything pop out when the beard looks as sharp as it can possibly get. Now this is what we have, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. If you need any products, again, go to easybladeshavingproducts.com.